Hi guys, my name is Goela. I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now guys, on 6th March 2020, I had uploaded a video on Yes Bank describing what were the problems with Yes Bank and what was Yes Bank facing through. So if you haven't seen that video, that is a part 1 of this. Please be sure to see that video. Video आपको इधर कहीं मिल जाएगी. Please be sure to see that video so that when you watch this video, आपको सब समझ आना चाहिए. Right? Now moving forward. Now you will see on 6th March itself, the share price of Yes Bank fell down to 5 rupees 60 paisa. The depositors of Yes Bank queued up in front of the banks to withdraw the limit of 50,000. Right? After that 3 days have passed and बहुत चीजें हो गई. So today I want to again logically and simply analyze and tell you what is the situation from now on. Now after this, immediately our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she came out and she openly said that we will not let Yes Bank fail. We will not let Yes Bank fail. And yes, because of her statement itself, in the depositors and investors, we got a lot of faith. So that was a very good sign. Now the government has come up with a proper plan, a proper action plan to save Yes Bank. So right now I'll be telling you all the points जो मैंने यहाँ सब लिखे हुए to explain you what is the action plan and what are the aims of this action plan. Now the first part of the action plan is that State Bank of India will buy 49% of the share capital of Yes Bank at 10 rupees per share. They will buy 49% of share capital of Yes Bank at 10 rupees a share. So the total amount would be of rupees 2,450 crores. That is the part 1. Second part is to get new investors. Now the problem earlier with Yes Bank is that Yes Bank failed to get new investors, get new stakeholders from outside. But now when SBI is there, when SBI is joined with Yes Bank, so credibility तो ऊपर बढ़ जाती है. So it will be easier for this bank to get a new investor. Third, deposit and account holders, right? Now this is to remove panic. Now because अगर आप Yes Bank के depositor हैं, are you scared? Yes, you definitely would be scared. But now State Bank of India is also there. Now you are calm. So for deposit and account holders to reduce the panic, because everything should run and will run normally, right? So these are the 3 points. Now what are the aims of this action plan? Aim number 1 is the customer. According to this plan set by the government, it is said that customer is the number 1 aim who should get seamless banking services and seamless platform for a good business. So जैसे Yes Bank पहले था, they want the same banking experience for every customer. That is their priority number 1. Second, find a new investor. जो मैंने आपको बताया. Now the investor hunt to find a new stakeholder to invest in Yes Bank. So because of SBI, things will definitely get better. Third, deposit and account holders. Now again, the finance minister herself is coming out and saying so much and saying, giving Yes Bank so much of support and confidence, then it reduces the amount of panic. So which is again a very good sign. And fourth and the final aim is that Yes Bank should run as an independent bank. Yes Bank should and will run as an independent bank. So they have no plans that Yes Bank will get merged with any other bank or Yes Bank will become a state bank subsidiary. ऐसा कुछ plan नहीं. So it will run as an independent bank. Now you see that the government is putting in their full efforts, their entire planning, everything is going on to save Yes Bank, which to be honest is a very, very good sign. If you're a depositor of Yes Bank, if someone is a depositor, then his deposits will continue as they did and on the same conditions as it was decided as. Right? So much so, investors का faith इतना अच्छा हो गया है that the share price from 5 rupees 60 paisa jumped up to 21 rupees. और ये अभी है जब मैं अभी record कर रहा हूँ. So when you might be watching this video, the share price would be different. But it clearly shows the jump in share price that people are happy with Yes Bank and this plan has managed to get the faith of people, right? Moving forward, so again I should not forget this, so much so that Ramesh Sopti, who is the CMD of IndusInd Bank, he has quoted and said that right now Yes Bank seems an interesting investment opportunity. Right now Yes Bank seems an interesting investment opportunity, right? So this was Ramesh Sopti, who was the CMD of IndusInd Bank. Now you would ask Harsh, वो सब ठीक है, but what do you feel about Yes Bank? आपको क्या लगता है? Now you know, अगर आप हमारे चैनल के सब्सक्राइबर हो तो I always give you my very honest opinion, right? सबसे पहला now both me and Aditya ना 3-4 दिन से we were thinking about the past situations that have happened like this, right? DHFL, Carvi, then there was PMC Bank, right? Now all these three issues, man, let's take these three for example, DHFL, Carvi and PMC Bank. All these three issues have caused a lot of damage to both investors and clients, right? Then how is Yes Bank different? Yes Bank is different because the government did not have an action plan. The government did not have a safety net for all those three. But the government has a proper action plan for Yes Bank. So yes, am I confident that Yes Bank will do well? I am. And if I be very honest to you, I see no reason that Yes Bank won't do well from here. Again, assuming that this plan gets executed, assuming that everything is in order, I genuinely see no reason why Yes Bank will not do well in the future. Well, that was it. And you know, बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछे थे सर येस बैंक क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, एंड आई गेट इट, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिचुएशन. जैसे अभी भी मैंने कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड्स किए, शेयर कैपिटल एंड मार्केट मर्जर्स, आई माई सेल्फ डिड नॉट टू यूज देम, बट ये यूज करना जरूरी है. एंड इफ यू आर समवन हु इज नॉट फेमिलराइज विद ऑल दीज मार्केट जार्गन्स, हु इज नॉट फेमिलराइज बट हाउ बेसिकली द मार्केट वर्क्स, आई स्ट्रांगली रेकमेंड यू टू वॉच माई सेशन फॉर स्टॉक मार्केट फॉर बिगिनर्स. 2 घंटे का सेशन है, वॉच दैट एंटायर थिंग बिकॉज दैट क्लियर्स योर बेसिक्स. उसके बाद when you listen to the current news topics from me or from CNBC or from ET Now, आपको समझ आएगा. So you won't need help to ease it down for you. आप समझ रहे हो क्या बता रहा हूँ? So watch that free session to clear all the basic doubts you have, right? So that you are crystal clear and then you can understand everything. Well, that was it for today. I hope you liked it. नीचे comment करके लिखो, do you think Yes Bank is a good investment or not? And are you going to hold it or not? According to me, definitely it seems like a very good investment. But I want to know your views. What do you think about Yes Bank? You want to hold? You want to buy? You want to sell? नीचे comment करके लिखो. Right? Till then, this is Harsh Goela saying goodbye. Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.